Assalamualaikum everyone. Let's start with the session and obviously North and Gulshan दोनों के अंदर we wanted to start the costing. Centers के अंदर हमारा financial accounting का most of the content is covered and now we need to move towards the concept of costing. Sadly हमारी physical one-to-one या फिर जो actual class होती है वो conduct नहीं हो सकी. But we need to get started because we never know कि कब तक ये curfew जो हम पे impose किया गया है वो continue रहेगा. So let's start with the work, guys. Today we will be starting with introduction to costing management. Most of you have covered the concept. आप लोगों में से बहुत सारे लोग जिन्होंने join किया है आज class को उन्होंने already पहले से ये चीज cover up कर चुकी है. That means जो students schools में मेरे साथ पढ़ते हैं उन्होंने ये concept cover up कर लिया है. It's just that जो centers के students हैं उन लोगों को बिल्कुल बेसिक से कॉस्टिंग स्टार्ट करवाऊंगा आज एंड लेटर ऑन आगे चलकर जब हमारी क्लासेस रिज्यूम होंगी तो हम इधर से ही अपना कंटेंट स्टार्ट करेंगे. So let's start with the work, guys. It's introduction to cost and management. If you can hear me properly, if you can listen to me properly, just raise your hand. There is an option over here where you can raise your hands. If you can listen to me carefully, right? अगर आप मुझे सही तरीके से सुन सकते हैं तो just raise your hands or use a thumbs up. Can you listen to me, guys? Can you listen to me clearly? Just raise your hands. चलो नेस्ती को जल्दी जल्दी करो. Raise your hands. Good. All right, let's start with the work, guys. Let's start with the work. All right, kids, let's start with introduction to cost and management. Obviously, आज से पहले तक जिन students ने सिर्फ financial accounting study की है, they know the concept of financial accounting. They are aware of the function of financial accounting. Financial accounting का main purpose, main objective क्या है? To report the financial performance of the business. Financial accountants usually past historical data के अंदर deal करते हैं. That means they actually takes into account all those events जो already take place हो चुके हैं, जो transaction past में take place हो चुके हैं. हमने goods sale कर दिए, goods purchase किए, expenses incurred किया, revenue generate किया, non-current assets purchase किए. जो transaction past के अंदर take place हो चुकी होती हैं, financial accountants उन transactions को books of accounts में record करते हैं, enter करते हैं. That means financial accountants का काम historical transaction, historical data से deal करना है. The transactions which have already taken place, हम उन transactions को initial level पर अपनी books of original entries में enter करते हैं. Later on, these transactions are entered or posted to ledgers. By closing the ledger accounts, we extract trial balance, और वो trial balance हमें आगे help करता है in preparation of financial statements. That means financial accountants का main important task function क्या है? To report the performance of the business. Business ने actually कैसे perform किया, कितनी income generate की है, कितने expenses incurred किए हैं. इन सब चीजों को determine करने के लिए we prepare all the financial accountants work. Financial accountants का main काम shareholders को, owners को, business की performance report करना है. But when it comes to cost and management accounting is not dealing with reporting of the business performance. Cost and management accounting का function transaction recording नहीं है. Cost and management accounting historical past data की transaction से deal नहीं करते. Rather, internal cost and management accountants के 3 important functions हैं, 3 important features हैं. They are involved in planning process. आने वाले टाइम के लिए they actually prepare budgets, they set up targets, they prepare goals. That means they are actually involved in planning process. नए वाले academic year के अंदर कितने number of batches, कितनी number of classes conduct करनी है. Next financial year के अंदर, next year के अंदर how many number of units we are going to produce. हमारी selling price क्या होगी. Goods की manufacturing के ऊपर हम कितने cost, कितने expenses incur करेंगे. Goods की selling पर कितनी expenses incurred होंगे. What level of output will determine to avoid losses. ये सारी planning करना किसका काम है? Internal management का काम है. And then internal management apart from planning is also involved in decision making. किस तरह की decision making? हम एक particular product बाहर से purchase करें या खुद manufacture कर लें, right? हम किसी order को accept करें या फिर reject करें. ये सारी decision making process किसके पास control में आती है, किसका function है? This is internal management का function. And once the actual activity take place, internal management अपने plans को, अपने targets को, अपनी actual performance के साथ compare करके अपनी performance का evaluation कर सकती है, appraisal कर सकती है. That means the third important function of cost and management accounting is evaluation and appraisal. So internal management के like unlike the financial accountants का काम transactions को record करना और financial performance report करना होता है. Internal cost and management accounting के 3 important functions हैं, which include planning, decision making, evaluation and appraisal. Because we are starting with the basic concept of costing, तो सबसे पहले हमें समझ में आना चाहिए कि what does the term cost means. Cost का क्या मतलब होता है? What does cost means? Cost के meanings क्या है? Now you see financial accounting के अंदर हम terms use करते हैं expenses. Expenses का मतलब होता है expected outflow of resources. Expenses का मतलब है outflow of resources.